treat yourself to a test drive in the 2012 Honda Odyssey. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include remote keyless entry, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, removable floor console, and more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Honda's comprehensive certification process, including an exhaustive 150-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.